The best VS Code extensions every developer should know. At number 1, we have Live Server. Live Server provides us a feature to launch a development local server with the live reload feature for static and dynamic pages. Let me give you an overview of Live Server extension in the VS Code. I have just opened VS Code editor and I will just create a file of HTML and I will just press exclamation mark and then press enter and just write script tag and write some code. I am just writing document.write and welcome to DevTechCare. It will write welcome to DevTechCare on the document. Just right click on file and click on open with Live Server. Now you will see our server is live. What we have write in the code. Welcome to DevTechCare. Now I will just change some code and I will just press Ctrl+S, which means I will just save the file, but you don't have to reload your browser page. It will be updated on just pressing Ctrl+S, which means on saving your document will be updated as well. Let me give you more overview of Live Server extension. I will write some more code and you will see the benefits of this Live Server extension in the VS Code. Just stay with me. At number 2, we have JavaScript ES6 Snippets. This is the extension for code snippets for JavaScript in ES6 syntax. Let me give you an overview of this ES6 Snippets extension. I will just create a file with an extension of JS, which means JavaScript, so that I can write JavaScript code in that file. Now you just have to write CLG and then press enter. You will get the code snippet of console.log. Similarly, you can write more methods of console with shortcuts like console.trace and CCL. Then press enter, you will get the snippet of console.clear. It will save the time of the developer to write the code. Similarly, there are too much examples and shortcuts to write JavaScript ES6 code snippets. Like you can also write the code snippet for array destructuring and object destructuring just by writing 2 or 3 alphabets. There are much more you can also explore in the extension documentation. At number 3, we have bracket pair Colorizer. This extension allows matching brackets to be identified with colors. The user can define which characters to match and which colors to use. Let me give you an overview of this third extension in the VS Code. I will just create a file with the name of colorizer.html. Now I will just write condition of if else, and you will see the matching brackets will have the same colors. Now if true, then do this, and else do this. Have you seen the matching brackets have the same colors? So it is easy to identify the matching brackets with colors. You can also customize the colors and which characters to match with those colors. At number 4, we have Prettier code formatter extension. Let me give you an overview of this extension. I am creating a new file with the name of codeformatter.html. This code formatter extension helps you no matter how you write the code. It supports format on save, which will automatically pick up the relevant installed formatter extensions and format the whole document on each save. Now you will see the practical example of this extension. Now I will just press Ctrl+S and you will see it will format the code. At number 5, we have Colorize. It is a VS Code extension to help visualize CSS colors in files. Let me give you an overview of this extension. I am just creating a file with the name of colorize.css. Now I will just mention the color and you will see the instantly visualized CSS colors in your CSS file. This extension your styles file looking for colors and generate a colored background using the color for each of them. At number 6, we have CodeSnap. With CodeSnap, you can take beautiful screenshots of your code. Let me give you an overview of this extension. I am getting a file with the name of codesnap.html. I will write some code, and after that I will take screenshot of the code. After writing the code, right click and click on CodeSnap. This will open the extension CodeSnap on the right side. Now select the code for which you want to take the snapshot. You will see it is a beautiful picture of a code. You just click this capture button and it will save the file, save the PNG file, so that you can use or send it wherever you want. At number 7, we have ES7 React Redux GraphQL React Native Snippets. It is a simple extension for React Redux GraphQL in JS and TypeScript with ES7 syntax. I am just creating a file with the extension of JSX so that I can write React code in that file. It is very helpful and useful for the React developers. You can just press IMP and then press enter. It will write the code snippet for importing a module. If you want arrow functional export component, then you will just write RAFCE, which means React Arrow Functional Component Export. Or if you want class component, then just write RCC and then press enter. You will have the code snippet for class component of React. Also, in the class component, if you will write CDW, then press enter, it will write the code snippet for the lifecycle method of React class component, which is component mount. And if you will write CWUM and then press enter, it will write the other code snippet for the other lifecycle method of React class component, which is component will unmount. At number 8, we have view in browser. You can also view a HTML file in system's default browser. I am just creating a new HTML file with the name of view in browser, and I will just write the code, and after writing the code I will just save the file. And after that you will see when I click the file and then I will click the view in browser, it will be opened in the browser. At number 9, we have auto rename tag. This extension automatically rename paired HTML or XML tags same as Visual Studio Integrated Development Environment does. Let me give you an overview of this auto rename tags extension. Whenever I will just change or rename the opening tag, you will see the closing tag will also be changed with respect to the opening tag. You can find these extensions in the VS Code extensions tab. Just go over there and click on extensions tab. After clicking, you will see it will open a marketplace of extensions that can be installed on VS Code. Just write down and install whatever you want for your VS Code editor. Thanks for your attention. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.